Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this easy and beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby sweater, lady sweater, cardigan and ladies shawl as well, shawl, blanket, see, scarf as well. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. So this is 12 rows repeat pattern and you'll need to cast on multiples of 2 or you can cast on any even number stitches. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 12 stitches on my needle. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch, slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. Now I'm going to draw a loop from here like so, draw a loop and then knit these two together through the back loop, like so, right? That's the repeat, this pattern, these two stitches. Again draw a loop, knit these two together through the back loop, draw a loop, knit these two together through the back loop, draw a loop, knit these two together through the back loop, again draw a loop, one more time, draw a loop, knit these two together through the back loop and then your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4, for row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and sorry, knit 1 and now start the repeat from here. The repeat pattern is same, draw a loop from here and knit these two together through the back loop, again draw a loop, these two stitches, draw a loop and knit together sorry, knit together through the back loop, draw a loop, knit together through the back loop, draw a loop, knit together through the back loop and last two stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 5, for row 5 knit all stitches with 2 times wrapped yarn. So edge stitch, slip and knit all stitches with 2 times wrapped yarn, 1 2 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1, 1 2 1 and your edge stitch, knit. Row 6, for row 6 your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side and now we're going to unwrap these two, 1 and 2, unwrap this 2 stitches and then now I'm going to twist these two bring this first stitch here from the front side, from the front side like so, and then purl these two, 1 2, slip 1 2, unwrap and slip, and bring this stitch here from the front side, and this stitch, purl this 2, unwrap and slip, bring the stitch here from the front side, and purl this 2, unwrap and slip, bring the stitch here and purl 2, unwrap and slip, bring the stitch here and purl 2, edge stitch, purl. Row 7, for row 7 knit all stitches. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, knit all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 12, so row 11, knit all stitches. Row 12, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.